Hey, welcome back traders, and in today's video I'm going to do a market preview for what's coming up ahead for October 18 to 24. Now let's look up ahead. So Monday on 18 October, okay, we have the time here and the pairs, the currency on this column here, you can see, and also the news impact. I've only chosen the important ones so I can be aware of what to trade or what not to trade. So Monday we have New Zealand, Chinese, US dollars and Canada all in the morning. All right, and it's quite important because we have the retail sales for the Chinese, so it will correlate positively with New Zealand and also Aussie dollars. So we can look at perhaps Aussie US dollars for the forex pairs. For that same day, we can look at Aussie CAD and also USD CAD. So I'm just gonna think about which pairs to look out for next week. So Tuesday we have Aussie and pound. Okay, well, I don't actually look at what kind of news it is. I just want to look at the forex pairs or the currencies that are included for the following week. Okay, and also the timing. So I have to be aware of what to trade and what not to trade. So this is the forex factory calendar. Okay, so basically we have this one. It's quite important, Aussie dollars, so we can look at Aussie versus USD, and we have the Canada CPI, so we can look at Aussie CAD. Okay, let me just go through the charts with you guys and we'll have a go.